In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Brave Rewards cards from Brave browser homepage. If you've ever opened a new tab in Brave and noticed extra panels showing things like Brave Rewards, this guide will help you tidy that up. The Brave Rewards card is a small panel on the new tab page that highlights the rewards program. If you prefer a cleaner look or just don't use that feature, you can hide it in a few clicks. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're looking at the new tab page, also called the home page. If you don't see it, you can open a new tab so the customizable start screen appears. That's where all the layout controls live. Look toward the top right of the new tab page for a small gear icon. This is the Customize control for Brave's homepage. Click it to open a side panel of options. If your window is very narrow, expand it a bit so the gear is visible. This panel is where you control the look and content of the page without changing your actual browsing or privacy settings. Inside the customization panel, select the section labeled Cards. Cards are the individual blocks that show on the home page, such as statistics, news, crypto widgets, and the Brave Rewards panel. Clicking cards will show a list of available panels with toggles to turn each one on or off. Find the option labeled Brave Rewards. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it off. As soon as you do, the Brave Rewards card disappears from the home page. This change is immediate, and it only affects what you see on the new tab page. It does not disable the Brave Rewards program itself or change your wallet or earning settings. If you ever want the card back, simply return to the same card section and turn the toggle back on. If the card doesn't vanish right away, close the customization panel and open a fresh new tab to refresh the layout. Occasionally, a quick reload helps the page reflect your changes. While you're in the card section, you can also fine-tune other panels the same way to create a cleaner, distraction-free homepage. Keep in mind that these are visual preferences, so feel free to experiment. Nothing here alters your bookmarks, extensions, or privacy protections. Just the appearance of the new tab screen. And that's it. You opened Brave, clicked the gear icon, went to Cards, and switched off the Brave Rewards card. Enjoy your simplified homepage and customize it whenever you like to match how you work.